Okay, when did it start cleaning? I don't know if it does it when the cat gets out of it or if it does it at intervals. Hmm. I mean, I know if I push that button, but I don't want to push that button because I want to see if it does it on its own. Oh, there it goes. I don't know, on the app it says 60s, and I don't know if that means seconds, and I don't know if that, or if it means every 60 seconds, or if it means 60 seconds after they get out of the box, or I have no clue what it means. I just heard a clump. Dump a clump. But Aiden here, he has no problem with any litter box. Watch out, Aiden. Aiden. The other cat's another story. What you waiting for, baby? Don't put your face in there. No, no, no. Aiden. No. You can't go in there while it's moving, kitty kitty. No. God, he doesn't go in there and get himself hurt. Okay, people watching this video, I know it looks like it's tight when it's, but look at that. That's not tight. I thought it was tight because of the way it looks on the camera, but it's not. You can go back in. So I don't know. Somehow this is supposed to track cat weight and stuff like that, but I have more than one cat. There's 3 cats here. I bought 2 of these boxes, and the first one I opened, the bottom, the drum, the round thing that you put the litter in that turns around and stuff, there was a triangle shaped hole, like piece broken out and a crack. The little piece of broken out plastic was in the box, or in this, under it. So that one I have to send back, and they don't send replacements. You only can get a refund, which means I'm not going to get the Black Friday discount that I got on it, which kind of pisses me off because knowing that the plastic breaks that easy, I don't know if I want to pay the whole price for it. Got it because it was a deal. And I'm sorry if this video is jumping around. I have essential tremor, so can't help it. Sorry. My phone's always giving me messages telling me to hold still. Sorry. Talk to God. So we're gonna see if it cleans it again. Ah. So it has this odor thing I didn't put in the back yet, but it's an odor thing that goes in the back of this. It comes with 2 packs of bags, a little broom, that thing. See there, it's going again. Aiden, no, don't go in while it's moving, baby. You're gonna get yourself, Aiden, no, don't go in while it's moving, kitty cat. Yeah, I don't know, that might be a problem. I don't know what all this writing is over here. And there's a drawer under the bottom. That's where the litter goes. Let's see inside. I should have done that to begin with. Aiden, no. Yeah, try using a printer with him around. What are you doing, kitty? So, no, baby. So it comes out like sideways, and then it has to tilt itself forward and then back again to get the litter straightened out, but it will do that. Hold on, Aiden. It's not quite done yet. There. See, it's going to balance it out. Come on, honey. He's going to keep doing this all. Are you entertained? Aiden, you gotta get out, honey. It won't work if you're in there when it's trying to work. See, it wouldn't go through. Now it's... He disrupted it. Did you break it already, kitty? Look at that bad cat. Here we go. Aiden, you're hilarious. I'm waiting for it to... Well... I don't like this right here. Put this thing down here. I can't, like, you know. Yeah, well, you're not supposed to do that, but, well, it put a lot of clean litter in there, which sucks, because that's wasteful. That's very wasteful. So I don't know what to do about that. I don't like that waste. Been ordering this. Yeah, so this Fresh Step, what's it called? Outstretch. That's the best kitty litter I have been able to find. It's fantastic. It really does not smell. Does not smell. It's a very good cat litter. But like I've been ordering it online so I don't have to carry it, and like from Amazon, and they had it on sale for Black Friday, so it was a lot cheaper. 30% off was pretty good because I go through a lot of cat litter with 3 cats. But that cat litter lasts longer than any other litter I've gotten. Let's say lasts longer without stinking than any other litter I've gotten. But now I want to see what happens with this, because this guy, when he goes, he gets litter up in the walls and on the ceiling of the litter boxes if they have lids on them, so I usually put lids on them. Because that stinks. The litter itself doesn't stink. The inside of the box will smell really, really bad. Smell up the whole place because it's got urine on it that hasn't been, like, buried or anything. Okay, well, I think we figured it out. It's still in a cycle, but anyway, that's the, I don't even know what it's called. It's Tuya. This is a quick start guide. Sorry, I just moved into this house and it's as is and I have to fix it up. That's why my walls look like that. Oh, see. Safety tips. Alright, I guess that's enough.